Diabetes breakthrough scams occurs when your blood glucose levels are above normal. It results from the inability of the glucose to get into your cells. As a result, your cells are starving for their food. Type 2 diabetes is the most common form of the disease. It accounts for 90 to 95% of all the cases of diabetes. In type 2 diabetes, either your body doesn't make enough insulin, or the cells in your body ignore the insulin so they can't utilize glucose like they're supposed to. When your cells ignore the insulin, it's often referred to as insulin resistance. Diabetes has hidden dangers that begin before diagnosis and continue to worsen if certain steps are not taken to prevent the complications that are the true diabetic killers. It's amazing how many people, diabetics included, who have no idea what dangers a diabetic faces over their lifetime. A diabetic, all things being equal, lives almost 10 years less than their non-diabetic counterpart on average. Diabetes is the sixth leading cause of death in the U.S. And most diabetics develop heart disease. In fact, just having diabetes carries the same risk of having a heart attack as someone who has already had such an event. Diabetes is the leading cause of blindness in America and the leading cause of kidney failure. And, diabetics are twice as likely to suffer heart attacks. Diabetes in the early stages does not produce symptoms. Unless found during a routine medical exam, it is possible for a diabetic to remain undiagnosed for years. It's during these years that the beginnings of diabetic complications can gain a foothold due to excess sugar in the cells. Statistics show there is the possibility of as many as over 5 million people going about their normal lives while having undiagnosed diabetes. The formula for diabetic complications is diabetes plus time equals complications. What this means is there is a much higher potential of a diabetic becoming diagnosed with one or more diabetic complications over time. This is partly due to how well the individual monitors and controls his/her blood sugar. Therefore, it is very important for patients with diabetes to also have a physician that closely monitors and treats their cholesterol levels as well as their blood pressure. Additionally, any use of tobacco products multiplies the risks and should be stopped. This new breakthrough may help. Diabetes breakthrough scam.